Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Queen and Nikki. So guys, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do sleeping cornrow. You can also call it Didi leg bacon, or you can call it Egbira Didi. So guys, for those of you asking me how did I achieve this lovely cornrow, please watch this video. Although it's a short video, but you guys will learn something beautiful. So guys, can you see? Make sure you wash the hair, and I'm going to achieve this lovely cornrow on a natural hair. As you can see, my client hair is natural, so just pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end. It's a short video, but trust me guys, you love the outcome of the cornrow. I have so many videos in my channel, like the sleeping cornrow videos, but this particular one I just want to show you guys how I achieve it. If you're a beginner turning to my channel for the first time, or if today is your first time of watching any of my video, you're actually new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning into the channel. Please don't forget to turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Can you see guys? If this video is helpful to you guys, please give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. So now you session it, depend the style you guys want to achieve. This particular one is just all back, so you start from the side. So what makes this sleeping cornrow different is just that you're bending your hand to the side. It's not as if you're doing the normal cornrow. Can you see? So as you're braiding it, you braid it to the side. So as you're braiding it, you notice there's a little brush. Never mind, that's the best way the style will come out well. There's no how you do sleeping cornrow there won't be a little brush. Can you see guys? So hold it firm, not too tight. That's how you keep braiding it. Don't make it too tight. So as you're braiding it, secure the remaining one so that it won't be disturbing you while you are trying to do this lovely cornrow. Can you see guys? So this particular one I'm doing side parts. Can you see? So as you're braiding it from the beginning, you just bend your hand to the side and make sure you hold it firm. Can you see guys? So let me know in a comment section if you guys love watching this short video, and if you want to really know how to do it. If you're a beginner, I still have some videos in my channel. Just go ahead and watch the tutorial. So this one is just a short video. People keep asking me, please, the video is not clear, it's not bright, so I decided to show you guys this one. Hope you guys love the outcome. This is the final look of the video. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.